In this video, we review Stallion Infrastructure Services Autoscan tool. The Autoscan tool can be programmed to automatically cycle through camera layouts or individual cameras. Click the navigation icon on the top left of the screen to select camera layouts that you want to cycle through. Click Autoscan and drag the desired camera layouts into the Autoscan panel. You can also select individual cameras by clicking on the Cameras tag and dragging your selected cameras to the Autoscan panel. Input your desired time interval, then click Start to begin the Autoscan to stop Autoscan. Double-click on a camera. Click Full Screen from Camera toolbar or change the layout manually. Layouts can be switched manually by clicking the Layouts drop-down in the top right of the window. This will stop the Autoscan. Watch our other tutorials or contact Stallion for additional information on our video surveillance monitoring portal and video surveillance hardware.